Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Asus BIOS password reset, Alt+R not working, what to do. So watch the video till the end. As you can see, I am at the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Here in the down, one people says that if now your user BIOS password I solve AMK, I has a BIOS 3.11 version, run this ms info 32, go to advanced mode and user password. Enter BIOS password and don't enter new password both side. Done now you don't need enter password every opening time. Here another people says that yes this reset the BIOS user password but not the administrator password. The administrator password is necessary to change advanced settings like secure boot. So here you will see the solution. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.